Yes. I'm already intercepting a tornado.
What?
It is an EF5. It cannot withstand the TIV2. But it can. Huh? My boy got this. Because I'm contributing.
Ito na lang.
Sige.
Okay. There is the beach. I can solve. Alright.
Just check. Ikat banfe. I'm gonna report. Ito man ikaw na ito sinugaw.
And then, for rat, cat, pig,
Ikaw pa. EF0, EF1, EF2, EF3, EF4, EF5. But there's an EF5 here. Careful. Oh no! Guys, I think you saw it. There's a tornado near the sewer. I'm gonna make a call out. Oh no! It's an EF5!
What?
It's an EF5. Enjoy. 150 went out. It's not hitting. Oh no! Getting swallowed. Ah no! I'm being on the floor. Come on. Cute. You have avoided it. Yeah. Or guys, it's true. Oh.